my name is Carla Leal and I'll show you how to use BWB chocolate molds. This special mold contains three parts: the mold, the flexible silicone film and the pusher. With these molds you save up to 75% of time compared to the traditional molds. It also helps to save chocolate and to standardize the product, avoiding waste. Its design and finish result in modern candies with perfect luster, which look like jewels. For shaping, simply place chocolate in the indicated line in the mold. Then we put the silicone film. With the third part of the mold we press to form the butthole. Take the mold to the fridge in order to harden the chocolate, with the mold hole facing down. When the mold is opaque and whitish, it means that the chocolate is ready to be unmolded safely. We remove the bottom of the mold. Then pull the silicone film very carefully. Then we have a chocolate with perfect shine and finish.